Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Pinterest traffic drop, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your Pinterest analytics. Log into your Pinterest account and navigate to your analytics dashboard. Look for a significant drop in impressions, clicks, or saves. Identify specific boards or pins that may be underperforming. Next, examine your recent pinning activity. Consider how frequently and consistently you have been posting. Check if there have been any changes in your pinning strategy. Review the types of content you have been sharing. Make sure to vary your pin styles and formats. Use eye-catching images and clear, concise text overlays. Optimize your pin descriptions with relevant keywords. Incorporate trending topics and seasonal content into your strategy. You may want to update your old pins with fresh images or descriptions. Evaluate your audience engagement. Monitor the times and days your audience is most active. Try pinning during peak engagement times. Consider collaborating with other Pinterest users. Join group boards related to your niche for wider reach. Look into your SEO strategy. Ensure your website is optimized for organic traffic. Remember to use Pinterest-friendly images on your blog or site. Implement rich pins to gain more visibility. Make sure to analyze competitors in your niche. Identify what they are doing differently and learn from their strategies. Revisit your goals and KPIs for Pinterest traffic. Adjust them based on the performance data you've gathered. Consider running a Pinterest ad campaign to boost visibility. Assess your overall brand presence on Pinterest. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.